how's it going today? Justin the Red Island Shaver. Welcome to the weekend shave video. I'm going to try a different camera angle this time. Just my setup wasn't working today at all. Hopefully this works. It should, I think. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit close and personal, but what can you do? Just give me 1 second. I got to open the shower curtain and let a little bit more light in here so I can see. And I'm back. Did you miss me? There. All right. So, the shave for today, as you can see in the thumbnail and the title, Fine American Blend. Now, I have it in a Tubs container, as you can see, just because when I first got this puck, it was just the one that came in the cardboard box. I had nowhere to put it, so I just put it in here. As you can see, the soap has kind of gone down the sides and it's sealed itself in. Very nice scent on this. I've always liked the scent of American Blend, and I haven't used it in a while, so I figured why not. So the brush for today, give it a few shakes, is something new to the den. I won this in a raffle from Tyler Dean, and this is a Maseto 30 mil 3-band Silvertip, and this is one hell of a brush. So, merci beaucoup, mes amis. Le brush c'est magnifique. Absolutely love this brush. I know in my last video, and we'll just start lathering up here. In my last video, I mentioned my love for the synthetics and how soft they are. Well, this Badger is incredibly soft. Absolutely love it. Feels so nice on the face. Makes a hell of a lather too. Get this all nicely loaded up. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I'm doing pretty good. And I think that's going to be a sufficient load right there. I'm doing pretty good. I'd like to thank everybody for the kind words. The last week, I quickly wet the face here. I had a better week this week than last week, so thank you everybody for all the kind words. I do appreciate it. All right, and that was a bit of distilled water I put on the face there too. I have the Crown King Scuttle once again, and I have distilled water in the inner chamber, and we will get to lathering. Try and do the Madden method here. For those of you who don't know what the Madden method is, that would be Chris Madden for Another Cut Above. That man makes one heck of a lather. Get a bit of water in here. The thing I like about Fine American Blend is it does make very quick lather. And a very creamy lather. They based their soap base pretty much on tobacco, I do believe. Which is a very nice triple milled soap. I believe this is triple milled as well. And I think this will take just a wee little bit more water. There we go. Incredible brush. You can see the splay on it there. This big 30 mil knot. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's so soft. And the loft on it actually is great. Just enough backbone for an easy face lather, but it's not floppy. We're going to get this worked in. I think I got 3-4 days worth of growth. I've been a lazy shaver this week. See, that's building up quite nicely in the brush. I think it might take even a wee bit more water yet. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Very nice scent, this American blend. That looks sufficient. So we will dip out the scuttle or dump it out and get down with the shave. Now hopefully I can stay in camera view here. I had this mounted right to my mirror and it's like right in my face. So if I have to lean in, if I have to lean in a bit, you guys may lose me. I'll try and hang back though. The razor for today, let's get this cleaned up a bit. Is going to be the Boker in the maple scales. Just a gorgeous razor. Love this piece of steel and wood. Get a little bit of that hot PEI water on the blade. And away we go. That is a nice slick soap. Easy peasy. Very nice. Very nice. Just redistribute some of that. But yeah, I'll have to get a better setup maybe once again for this camera. I don't like having it so close as it is because it's right there. Still lots of lather here. It hasn't dissipated any, which is good. There's lots sitting down in the flow through with the brush. What more can you want? Unbelievably soft badger. From what I've read on these Masetos is they are pretty much the next best thing to a Simpsons Chubby without paying all the money for a Simpsons Chubby. So that's pretty cool. Because I don't have the money for a Simpsons Chubby. I actually really have the money for this, but I won it in a raffle, so it worked out pretty good. And we'll go across the grain. just cut myself. I don't know. Maybe not. Change things up just a wee little bit, because that pass going up my neckline just is really hard to do. So now I have it, so I just do it the once. Wonderfully smooth edge on that blade though. Still trying to determine if I cut myself. I don't know if I did or not. Can't see it, so don't see any blood. So I think I'm alright. Got a real smooth shave going though, I know that, so that is good. I'd like to give a shout out to my brother from another mother, Carl, the Iceman, Kiefer. He's been under the weather a little bit lately, so hoping to see him return. And I'd like to give a shout out to Trevi B. He's made his way back to YouTube, so welcome back, Trevor. Nice to see you again. I missed your content. So it's nice to see you're back in action with us. Alright, now for the pass that scares me. Very good. It's really just that side of the neck that I can't see over here. Once I kind of get to the middle, I can see if my eye will focus here. Very nice. Very nice, and then we will quickly just use the Cheatorama Gillette Tech to get the mustache area. That way I don't have to worry about cutting my nostrils. Can't imagine that'd be too much fun. Yeah, I don't see any blood. I thought I may have got myself right along here, but I don't think so. Don't know, but that's all right. Do a quick rinse off and we'll finish this up. Beautiful, beautiful shave. Really do like fine. It is a sufficiently slick soap to use with a straight razor. That is for sure. And that blade is very sharp. Glides right through the hairs. That was actually a very close shave. Still a little rough in the usual areas, right through here. But the only way to get that is to turn the blade completely sideways, and it's next to impossible to do, even if you do have proper vision, which I don't. So, that's feeling pretty good. I don't think I'm going to worry about any witch hazel today. We're going to go right into the splash. So, we do have the fine American Blend splash. See how good of a shave that was. Very nice. Zero burn. Just the way I like it. It's so nice I gotta use it twice. My wife likes to smell this stuff. I'll just put it everywhere. Alright, so that was the shave for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. So once again, we had the Fine American Blend Soap, Fine American Blend Splash. We had the incredible Maseto 30 mil 3-band Silvertip Badger, an incredible brush. Thanks again, Tyler, for running the raffle on this. This is definitely a keeper in the den. Love this brush. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. And then one last look at the razor before I dry it and put it away. This is my Boker Imperial in spalted maple scales, made by Randy at First Canadian Shave. An absolutely gorgeous razor from an absolutely gorgeous fella. So that's it, guys. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you all have a great weekend. And we will catch you midweek on another episode of Outside the Den, where this week we will take a look at software. So soaps, bombs, and splashes. As always, friends, have a great day and even better shave. I will catch you in Wednesday's video. Ciao.